Welcome to a new section. In this section we are going to be making the drawings for our valve assembly that we just made, and on this drawing we are going to be covering many things such as adding your views, how to start a new drawing, creating different type of views, and adding annotations. So the first one we are going to cover in this lecture is just how to start a new drawing files. So to start a new, use the same way you start the part and the assembly. You click on the new and you click on your drawing and click OK. And once your drawing is open, just like how we did in the assembly, you have to browse here to go through the file location to add the drawing you want to add to your sheet. Or you can just, so if I click browse to show you, I can browse to the my check valve, click OK. Now that drawing is added, and now I can start clicking here to select the view. That is one way you can do it. So I can click, so it has the view here. So whatever this view is on this sheet right now, it has a here. So that's the front view. So you can change it to like the top. You can change it to top and bottom, right or left. So we'll click on the front view. So that is how you add a view. And this origin point I have is because, again, I have my origin select here, so I can actually hide it. So that is the first way, but normally I'm just going to close this, so I won't save it. So normally when you start a new drawing, you wouldn't I personally don't hide it from here, so I'm just going to close it. And in the next lesson I'm going to show you how to use the 3 standard view and the model view. So anyway, that is how you start a new drawing file, by clicking new, drawing, and OK. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.